Hey, this is Primoz Lazar here. Recorded this video for my YouTube channel and for Facebook and Instagram and so on. And I want to come to you with this structure that I have built for myself, for my business. And I want to explain you how can you have structure to grow your online business as well. But before we continue, I want to just give you this kind of 360 overview of where I am right now, okay? First of all, I'm sitting in front of my vacation house right now, okay? And I got this kind of beautiful view down here, okay? So I can enjoy the nature and I can have a relaxing talk with you right now, okay? So watch this 10-minute video right now because it's gonna uplift you, it's gonna inspire you, and it's gonna give you some solid foundation of how can you continue with your life and online business or whatever you're doing, okay? So if you have followed me for in the past few days, I have published my second book, okay, which is a professional business growth, online business growth book. My first book is my life story book, which I actually never published, okay? And it's not available for public right yet. But I'm thinking that I will also put my first book, which is my life story book. I'm gonna publish it this next weekend, upcoming weekend, okay? Because I still wanna share with you my story, and I wrote that book already like 1 year ago and so on. But I was never just like open to share it with public or whatever, okay? But now I got this courage, I got this inspiration, so. I think I'm gonna publish it on Amazon this next upcoming weekend. So I will have two books that you can access. Okay, the first one is my life story book, and this second book that I just published last week is an online business growth book, which I want to talk about right now a little bit more because I want to help you grow your online business, okay? And I want to provide you with structure so you can successfully move forward with your life and with your business, okay? So I'm an online business coach, and I started as a photographer, and then I moved into digital marketing, building some websites for people, and then I saw that they don't know how to generate convert the leads that I generate for them into sales. So I needed to study sales, okay? I became a sales coach at that time. That was around 2 3 years ago. And then I saw that the business owners who I work with and who I teach how to do sales, they're not that really good also with operating their businesses, doing marketing and advertising and working with customers. They don't have the right mindset and so on, okay? So I saw the opportunity and I became a business coach, okay? I started studying business fundamentals, business development, business growth, and I became business coach for local clients of mine. And then I still wasn't so independent, okay, location independent, okay, independent, and I wanted to move online. And when I moved online, I didn't know now how to get clients for my online business because the approach was totally different than getting clients locally because I knew how to pick up the phone and do the sales over the phone. But when I moved online, the approach was completely different because I didn't know anything about reaching out to people and content creation and attraction marketing and so on. So I needed to study this, okay? And in the last 1 to 2 years, I became really good at it, okay? I became kind of an expert and a master in getting clients online. So then I decided to write a book about it because if it worked very well for me, I knew that I need to help other people as well with this information, especially those who are just starting and they don't have huge budget to invest into my programs, into my services. But because I still wanted to help everyone, I wrote down step by step steps in my book, okay? Because people can read it, people can get educated, and people can start growing their online businesses with that information, and then they can hire me on top to work with me, additionally. Okay, but right now I want to give you a few ideas and few suggestions of what I have written and what I've wrote in my book, because it's got structure, okay, and it tells you exactly step by step of how can you grow a predictable online business, online servicing, coaching, consulting, business, okay, whatever services that you can do online for others. Okay, my book, and the information that I have shows you exactly how can you make it predictable for you. Okay, because I see many online entrepreneurs, they're struggling to get next client, okay, which is the blood of your business. Clients are the blood, all right, and they don't know how to do it. Okay, and my job is that I help you to come, so you can start getting one consistent client, high paying client every week. Okay, each and every week you should be getting one new client, okay, so you can sustain with your business. And that's what my book is all about, all right. And here is the structure that I put in my book. Okay, it's actually the same structure that I put in. I teach through my online business coaching program that I have, but I wrote it all down in the book, so I can help you already ahead of time, and then you can work with me on top of that. Okay, so look how it goes. Okay, look, this is the structure. The first thing that you need to be clear on is your what kind of lifestyle you want to actually live, all right, because the mindset, the vision actually is what's driving us forward. And if you can design your lifestyle in the right way, okay, then and you have, if you have a strong vision to achieve that lifestyle, okay, that's when you're gonna make it. Okay, that's the first step. The second step, after you have very clear vision, you got the right mindset, you know your dream goals, you know your ultimate achievable goal for your business. The second step is that you gotta have an amazing business model, which means you have to know who do you help, what do you solve to them, which problem do you solve for them, how do you solve it, what do they want to get, what are the results that they want to get, okay, how much do you price your solution for helping them to achieve that, okay, and so on. So you gotta be really structured. You need to have very clear message of what do you do, how you help someone, and what is your offer through which you work with your client. Okay, so that will be the second step. Okay, having a strong business foundation to help the market. Okay, so that's called also niche and offer. Okay, and when you have the niche and offer and you're really clear on your message and who you help, do you help, and how can you help them, okay, even if you have not proven it yet or whatever, then you can start getting in contact with clients online. Okay, and this is where it all begins and becomes pretty hard kind of for everyone. Okay, how to get clients online. And there are I would say three levels, all right, of getting clients online. The first level is being able to expand your network, okay, with adding new connections, adding new friends, so expanding, and then reaching out to people and saying to them, hey, how are you? What's happening, and so on, right? That is a proven framework that I have to be able to talk to people. Okay, so this is the first level of getting in contact with clients online, all right? Being able to expand your network and reach out to people. The second level, after you start expanding the network, after you start reaching out to people, and having conversations with them and booking in the calls or so on, the second level is going to be the organic content creation and attraction marketing, so you can nurture all the people that you got in contact with, okay, that you expanded the network with, okay, because you want to provide them with content just like this video, for example. You need to nurture them, you need to get them clear on what is that you do, okay, so that allows you to pre-frame people and warm them up, so you can then have certain call to action, and they can start reaching out to you. So that's the second level of you getting clients online. The third level, of course, will be paid advertising, okay, which you don't need to use at the beginning when you're starting, but you can do that after, okay? And there are some more advanced tactics of you being able to convert people into your clients, okay? But these are three fundamental levels. So look, either you're gonna reach out to people and start conversations with them, or they will reach out to you because of the content that you have created, and you know, called to action with certain freebies or whatever you gave to them. So they kind of requested that, and they came into your messenger conversation. Okay, whatever happens, okay, you will have this text conversations with them, okay, either on LinkedIn or on Facebook or on Instagram, okay. You will have these direct messaging conversations with people, and now you need to follow a certain framework to use so you can book a call, okay. And this is what you need to become really good at, okay. Beside of course, content creation and reaching out to people and expanding the network with the right people and accessing the right potential clients from certain groups, or you know, people are following certain gurus and so on, and you can add them as friends. Beside of all of this, you will need to be really good at having text conversations with people online, okay? Because you want to book calls with them. So you need to pre-qualify these people through your messenger conversations with them, you know, DM or LinkedIn or Facebook or whatever it is, okay? So you can book a call. Okay, because on a sales call or strategy call or discovery call or clarity call or whatever you call it, okay, that's where you will be able to discover that person more into depth. Not discover, but learn more about that person and the problems that they have in depth, so you can provide them with the solution at the end, okay, on that strategy call or sales call. Okay, so do you see how these steps go? Okay, designing your lifestyle, then having the business model niche and the offer, then getting in contact with clients online, either reaching out to them or they reach out to you through your content that you create, or you know, I mean, you need to be able to add these friends or connections from certain, you know, groups where they hang out or whatever it is, okay. And then having a messenger conversation to book a call, okay. So then you will have a call, and that's where you will be able to close the sale. And I write about this in my book, okay? But there, at the end, there are additional 2 chapters, okay? Which the most important chapter of this book is the execution part, okay. And this is where most of people fail online, okay. They don't really know how to execute on everything. There is so much of information, you know, they're confused and they just don't know where to begin. So I broke down in that chapter in my book how to execute on everything that I just shared with you, because you will need to put in the work and the discipline and work ethic, okay. I know that online business entrepreneurship is called freedom business. Oh, we want to have freedom and live the lifestyle by our own design and so on. I get that, but you cannot get to the freedom if you don't go through 1 or 2 or 3 years of really hard work, okay. And that's why most of the online entrepreneurs never break through, like probably 80%, or they never break through, because they don't have this structure and the mindset and the discipline to break through. They don't increase the expertise level, the skills, you know, to really be able to help other people. So that's what I write in the execution part of my book, okay. What do you need to do today so you can expand network, you can communicate with people, you can have conversations with them, you can book in the calls, you can do the sales calls and so on, all right? What do you need to do today, tomorrow, to get your first next client or second client, or you know, 1 client per week or so on, all right? So in the execution part, I talk about what do you need to do today, which 5 or 6 activities every day for 1 or 2 or 3 hours that you need to do to get results for yourself. And then beside of doing things every day, what do you need to do every week, okay? Because there is a weekly schedule, content creation schedule, that I teach you in my book. What do you need, kind of content posts do you need to create every week so you keep engaging your audience, all right? So that's the execution part. What exactly and how disciplined you need to be, what exactly you need to do so you can grow and scale your online business. And now the last chapter is talking about the operations, okay? How to really operate this vehicle, and how to even have the right structure, so you can follow up certain leads, how to hire virtual assistants to help you to generate more revenue, or to do some administrative tasks for you, or how to have a business partner, how to hire a team that supports you when you come to this level, that you have enough revenue and you are able even to scale. All right, so that's really what I write in my book, and that's what I want to help you. I want you to learn this structure. I want you to become really good at operating your life and business, and that's what why I've wrote my second book, okay? The blueprint of building an online business office, okay? So how can you virtually work and help other people, and really make an impact that you were born to provide other people with, or to do, or whatever it is. Okay, you get my point. So um, you can get the book, okay? I'm gonna put it in the link below. You can order it from Amazon. You can get the paperback copy or the ebook, the Kindle version. All right, and study this material. You gotta invest in your mind, okay? Learn the process, and you will be able to predictably grow your business. And if you guys have any more questions, just message me or text me or have conversation with me. I can help you. We can have even a call. I'm so open-minded right now. Look how much freedom do I have. I'm open to help anyone who is really committed and who wants to invest the energy, time, and also use the finances to escalate the growth of their business and go even faster forward, and so on. All right, so you can see that I'm doing some pretty really cool and good things right here, and I want you to interact with me. I want you to stay in touch with me so I can provide you with more of the beautiful things that I'm doing, more of the solutions and the ideas for your online business growth. And expect that this weekend I'm publishing also my personal story book. It's gonna be online on Amazon as well, and you'll be able to get access to that as well. Okay, and I wish you all the best, and we talk very, very soon. See ya. Bye bye.